It is another awesome day to watch a water fountain here at New Life Garden. And I am at the entrance where you can see we have a very inviting water fountain. And as you can see, this block has only 5 levels and they have catered for everyone, those with knee problems, leg problems. This project has a lift despite being only 5 floors high, and they have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. But for now, the only units remaining are the 2 and 3 bedroom units from 7.8 million to 10.5 million for the 3 bedroom, two Ensuite, and for the 2 bedroom, 7.8 to 8 million. And as I mentioned, these apartments, these developers don't segregate anyone. Whether you're coming to purchase using mortgage or you will be using cash, they take any form of payment. But since the project is ready, maybe you can negotiate on a payment plan, but preferably cash buyers and mortgage buyers only. So the project also has some very amazing amenities, such as a swimming pool, a kids area, a restaurant, a management office, and a manned gate. Actually, the gate is being worked on as we speak right now. So why don't you call me by 0703 460 683? Did you know the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport is in Syokimau? And this makes it among the fastest growing towns in Nairobi and Machakos. And today, I'm still continuing with my series of the projects coming up in Syokimau. And right now, I am at New Rise Gardens in Syokimau. And this project has the following available units for sale. This is here is a 3 bedroom, two Ensuites for only 10.5 million. And the project is ready for occupation. And they don't discriminate anyone. Whether you're a mortgage buyer or a cash buyer, this place is perfect for you. And one unique thing about this project, while other projects are doing 10, 15, 20 floors up, this project only did 5 floors up because it is right next to the airport, so they cannot do over 6 floors. And now let's see the 3 bedroom, two Ensuite for 10.5 million. This is where you come in, and immediately you come in, you face your dining area and your living room over here. You can see the living room is quite special because the unit is 141 square meters, so it is quite spacious for family and for the price. And over here, this opens to a balcony. You can relax here. You can admire moving vehicles. You can admire cars as you challenge yourself. You know, they say nothing makes your car look old than the presence of a new car. So that is your view for this particular unit. And over here you have your storage where you can fit even a 200 liters fridge. You have more storage over there and a fully fitted kitchen with a 4 burner and an extractor. But here you have your sink. This place is already functional and running, so you can see the water is running. And you have more storage here I will not comment about that. So walk with me to the bedroom. But before that, they have a shared toilet for the first bedroom and your guests. And over here, this is the first bedroom. For this particular furnishing, they have fitted a 4x6 bed, and they have side tables. And over here, you have your storage. And onto the second bedroom. Here, the bedroom is ensuite. You can fit a 4x6 bed. And this is your washroom. You can see it is spacious. It comes with a smart mirror, your water closet, and your shower cubicle. All these for 10.5 million. And I haven't even touched the master. Look at the washroom. It's quite spacious. And the storage too, quite adequate. You can fit a 5x6 bed or a 6x6 bed, and you're still left with some space. You see, when you wake up, you're not facing a wall. They say if you want to know you still need to work hard, you must be waking up with all your feet facing either side of the bed. And this is the master room balcony. Remember I said it has 2 balconies, and you can hear the water fountain making some noise for me. So this place is very perfect for family. As you can hear, we are outside the balcony, and the only noise you can hear is the noise coming from the water fountain. It is a very silent place. It is suitable for families and for investment, because the rent for the 2-bedroom is 60 million. Sorry, the rent for the 2-bedroom is 60,000, but the rent for the 3-bedroom is 70,000. This place, kindly reach to me via 0703 460 686, because my work is to make sure you get a perfect investment or a perfect home, and you don't want to miss that. Also, you can subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Avenues Corp Limited, and follow my channels on X, Facebook, and TikTok. I call myself Isaac the Realtor. So I am a registered agent operating in Nairobi, Kenya, and I'm ready to walk you in your journey of real estate investment. Action, you won't believe it. This is only 8 million Kenyan shillings. And it comes looking like this. You can see how spacious the lounge is. And this makes me wonder, does the shape of your pillow matter when you buy such an apartment? Because for me, it does. And this is a balcony. You can see the good thing about these apartments. They are low-rise, only 5 floors, and the space in between makes your 8 million investment worth it. This is the dining area and the kitchen, while these are the bedrooms. These are shared toilets, and this is the first bedroom. While this is the master bedroom, that is ensuite. So this unit is 1 ensuite, 1 sharing, and it has a balcony. So you know action what to do. In Syokimau, you'll find a 3-bedroom, 2 ensuites for 11.5 million. And before I start, it doesn't come with all this awesome looking furniture. and the decorations. But this is essentially how it looks like. This will be your dining area. This is where you set up your dining area. While this is your living room. And over here, you have a balcony. These units are just 6 floors, so very suitable for people who don't like a place that looks very crowded. And for people who don't like to be seen when they are tasting meat or bacon, this is a closed kitchen for you with an extractor, a burner, and an oven. While right here, you have a laundry area that comes with storage. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the storage for only 11.5 million. I think this is awesome. And the phase 2, you add 1 million, you get a servant quarter. You have a pantry here. And lastly, we head to the bedrooms. The first bedroom shares the toilet with the guest. And this is how it looks like. Look at the awesome furniture they have placed in. And you can add more storage here for books. And this is your primary storage. While here, you have a sink and your washroom plus an enclosed shower cubicle. This is the second bedroom, sorry. This is the second bedroom. It comes Ensuite with quite some awesome storage, and you can fit side beds. They are warmly lit. And over here, you have your sink, your toilet. Over here, you have your sink, your toilet, and your shower cubicle. And lastly, this is your storage. This is your bedroom space, your bed space, and the washroom. It comes with a shower, a door, an enclosed shower cubicle, a sink and a mirror, and a balcony over here. And as you can see, there's adequate parking, and the units are selling for only 11.5 million for the 3-bed. If you want to know how you can get to me or how you can buy these units, kindly don't hesitate to reach to me via 0703 460 686. Also, you can reach me via my TikTok, Isaac the Realtor, or Instagram at Isaac the Realtor. That's all for today. See you in the next video where we will feature several other projects in an upcoming area in Nairobi. Bye. Leave your comments and your thoughts on what you think of Syokimau and the projects that are coming up around this area. Thank you.
Perfect.